Tired of that old username staring back at you every time you log in? Let's get that fixed. First, click on the Start button, typically located at the bottom center of your screen. Then, hover your mouse over your user icon at the bottom left of the Start menu. Click on Change Account Settings. This will open the Settings app, directly taking you to the Your Info section of Account Settings. Select Account from the left-hand menu and locate Microsoft Account. Tap on the blue text that says, Manage my Microsoft Account. This will open your Microsoft account page in your default web browser. You may need to sign in if you are not already signed in. On the Microsoft account page, under your profile information, find the option that says Edit Name and click on it. You'll now see fields to enter your desired new first and last name. Enter your new name in the provided fields. Complete the Captcha verification to confirm you are not a robot, and then finally, click Save to apply your changes. Now restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Your new username will now be displayed on the login screen, and that's it.